Warning, the video that you're about to watch is made for collectors over the age of 13. Hi guys, my name is Adam, if Toys Talk. Today I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to add a crack to a visor on a Power Ranger action figure. Well, this will work on anything, I suppose, any windows, eyeballs, whatever you like. This will work on anything. So what you need to do first, after you've got your image into Photoshop, just took a very simple picture of a Power Ranger. I want to get this visor nice and clear so I can see it there, look. All you need to do is Google crack PNG and find an image such as this one and just save it. Right, so I'm going to place that in there. Why aren't you working? Why aren't you working? That's fine, we'll just go through the website, download it this way instead if you want to be like that. Into Photoshop again. Right, so we have our crack. So all you need to do is Control and T, transform this. Mic stand is in the way. Transform this, and you want to hold Shift, make it, and when you're making it smaller, so you don't lose the shape. You don't end up with any weird warps. Now, I want it on the right hand side, but this generally doesn't matter what side you put it on, obviously. So I think that looks like a nice decent size. So what you want to do is you want to zoom in, and if you feel like white isn't visible enough, if you press Control and I, it inverts the image, making it a different, usually making the black white and the white black. It doesn't quite work as well on this image because it is a PNG, but I think I like this one actually. So you just want to position it where you want, and then you want to transform. You want to hit warp, and right click, go to warp, and just play with it so the edges look like they should be where the edges would be, if you understand what I'm saying. So maybe like form it to the shape of the visor, and just kind of faff on until you're happy with what you've got. It's just a shape. I think that looks fine. Now, as you can see, obviously it comes off the edges and stuff. All you need to do there is mask it. I'm just going to paint these edges out. You want to use quite a hard brush so that it doesn't peek over the edges. I keep thinking this is a crack, it's a hair or something on the figure. Now, as you can see, this one goes across quite a bit, but I don't want that to stick out so much, so I want to like sort of fade it out using a softer brush. I'll lower this. I'll pass it down to 50 maybe, and just make it fade a little bit. And you can do this to the all the tips if you like. I feel like that's a bit. There we go. And now when we zoom out, it looks a lot more real. And then, obviously, if you want, you can do whatever you like to this image there on out. You've got your crack. I'm just going to name this crack. And then, usually, you do whatever you'd like to do to the figure, to your picture. Like, for example, I don't know if I want to put some smoke in the bottom. We'll pass it back to 100. It's obviously all optional. This is just what I usually do to my shots. Put some smoke in there, look, and I'd maybe add a little bit of Gaussian blur on there just to make it look a bit more fluid, a bit less sharp. Oh, my phone's just made a noise. Let's say I want to change the LUT of this. Added something on it. See which one of these I like to flick through all these and just pick one which looks good. This one looks good. It's a bit dark, so what I'd do is I'd take the opacity down. Yeah, I always add my watermark on there, and there we go. If you've learned anything from this video, please remember to smack the like button, subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram at If Toys Talk, on TikTok as well, If Toys Talk. I also stream on Twitch at The Very Big Fish. I have a weekly quiz over there on a Thursday at 8:30 GMT. But if you've learned something off this, or if you haven't, please like, share, whatever, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.